Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Wave Accounting for lean startup accounting step by step clearly. Type Wave Accounting into the search bar. Click on the official Wave Accounting website link. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address you wish to use for your account. Next, create a secure password. Make sure to follow any password requirements listed on the screen. After entering your email and password, click the Get Started button. You may be asked to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Wave. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to Wave Accounting's website. Now, fill in the additional information requested, such as your business name and address. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Continue button. You may need to choose the accounting features you want to use. Review your selections and click Continue to proceed. After that, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click Create Account to finalize your subscription. You will now be directed to your new Wave Accounting dashboard. Take a moment to explore your new account and familiarize yourself with the features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.